So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Harry. So today in this video I'm going to unbox Mivi ROM 2. Let's begin. So you can see it is really packed well. Let's unwrap this plastic. I don't have right now tripod stand, so camera is little shaking, so sorry for that. So here's the box. It look very cool and premium box. So you can see main highlight of the speaker, 2000 mAh battery, which is really incredible. Okay, let's find out what is the inside the box. Wait. Okay, so here you can see this is warranty card, and box is premium. Okay, here is another cards and some manual. Let's put aside it. So this is the main box. Let's open it. Okay, wait. So here is it. It have a aux cable, and this is micro USB cable. It don't have type C. Okay, let me unwrap this. Okay, so this is the main thing, Mivi ROM 2. It look quite premium, it look very premium product. So this is the unboxing video. I will share its experience after 1 month.